That's why Usmana coffee is very, very special to me.
Hey Rajiv,
Hey, hey, hey. How you
how are
are?
you?
I'm good. I'm good. I came home for this, so that's good.
Oh, lovely.
So this is we got 25 people watching, and I want to see what the comments are. Avinash, I am Avinash. Is it
We
too
see
dark
people
here?
are joining in.
Yeah, but is it too dark where I am sitting, or is it okay?
It's fine. It's a little
Okay.
bit dark, but I think that's fine.
Okay.
I think it's too bright over here.
This is my den area.
Oh, nice. Looks pretty
Uh,
cozy.
yeah, that would be my projector, and it's on my I'll tell you my lazy boy.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I see Sarthak is also joined.
Hi
He's saying
Sarthak.
hi.
Where is Sarthak? Sarthak is in Delhi, right?
He is in Delhi. I'm visiting my parents, so I'm
Where is
here.
that? Where are you?
So I am in Kanpur. I
Kanpur.
am from Lucknow, yes,
Arre
and
वाह.
my parents they live in Kanpur.
Arre वाह. All right. ठीक है. So one second. Also, I'll see how our multitask work is also happening.
Oh wow.
So AI is doing its stuff. I've given it a
I am
project.
ready with my coffee.
Oh, man, I have to make a
That's
coffee.
okay. That's
I
okay.
will make coffee. No. I just got home. Now I was driving, so good.
That's perfectly fine.
But I'm enjoying Usmara coffee. I never thought I would drink Robusta.
Clear.
Yeah. By the
Uh,
way, people who are watching it, do they know what is Robusta coffee? Okay, so there are. You want to tell
yeah.
us? All right, two
Yes,
kinds of
I will
coffees.
take this. So we have two types of coffee. We have Arabica and then we have Robusta.
All right.
In fact, in India, in fact, most part of the world, Arabica is the one which people consider as the most premium coffee. But
Hmm.
then we have Robusta, and Vietnam is one country. In fact, it's the largest producer of world for Robusta.
Hmm.
The difference is Arabica is very milder in texture, it's smooth
Hmm.
and it's more acidic in nature, lesser caffeine content, and it's more. Uh, it goes better if you have it black, but that will have fruity and floral notes.
Yeah. See, these are features. The benefit is that Robusta is more flavorful,
It
right?
is because it is heavy bodied, it has
Hmm.
the chocolatey notes,
Hmm.
and the best part, it has higher caffeine, so it keeps you going
Awesome.
throughout the.
And people here are Robusta fans. Somebody's saying Robusta
Oh,
coffee is
yes,
underrated as if.
absolutely, it is.
Why do you
It
think
really
it got
is.
a why is Robusta so badnaam?
Robusta is Badnaam. It's see, most people are not aware about it, and I feel Arabica is over glorified.
Hmm.
And somebody, in fact, for me, until I studied a lot about coffee, I used to think,
Hmm.
okay, okay, if it's Arabica, it's more premium.
Hmm.
So that's what the assumption is. People are
Hmm.
not that aware about Robusta. So it's not about Arabica is bad or Robusta is bad. It's just that
Hmm.
how your coffee is processed, what kind of beans are used. So either of them can be of a better quality.
Hmm. Hmm. ठीक है. So I wanted to ask you.
Mhm.
Uh, by the way, people here should know how we know each other.
Absolutely.
Correct? So you wanna
So
you wanna you wanna tell them?
I think you can tell the story.
All right. So what happened is by the way, I just opened a company. The company is called Bard, and I deal with brands and startups and D2C brands and stuff. And I just started actually giving attention to my LinkedIn profile. So I started posting stuff, and I I gave my whole playbook, the content strategy playbook, free for people. Right, the first person who asked for it was Ayushi.
Oh, I
From
didn't
the,
know I was the first person.
that is the
Wow.
reason. Yeah. So that's that's why Usmara Coffee is very, very special to me. You're the first person who connected me, and then that happened. Then a phone call happened, right? And then I came
Right.
to
Then you
Delhi to
met.
meet you, right?
Yes.
And what did you think when you met me? How did
So,
you stumble on
one
my
thing,
LinkedIn profile? Firstly,
I don't know, one of your posts popped up and I thought of reaching out. And honestly, I was not expecting a response, to be
mm,
really honest.
mm,
And when we spoke, I was not expecting that we'll be meeting. So
mm,
it was a good experience. And in fact, the entire journey, you have been part of this journey for quite some time
mm,
now.
mm,
And one thing that I would be say, of course, you have your own expertise. You have been a great support, but other than that, you have been that solid support for me. Like even I can reach out to you when I'm feeling low. That okay, Rajiv, I am not sure about the
mm.
brand. What's going to
Yeah,
happen? So even on
yeah.
those times, I've had that conversation with me. So yes,
Mm.
so far it has been so really great.
I actually feel very protective about you.
Really.
Yeah, I mean, to me,
Wow.
you're this young little bacha who's taken a leap into the big bad world of entrepreneurship, and you're just shining. You're doing everything so well, you know. So
and And trust me, I feel that way that I'm like, I look up to you. I know if I'm stuck somewhere or I need any kind of advice, I can reach out to
uh,
you.
yeah, yeah, you can, you can. Any questions if you want to ask about me or Ayushi or Usmara Coffee? Firstly, let me tell you a bit about Usmara Coffee. Usmara Coffee is a Vietnamese Robusta seed. I mean, coffee bean. It is sourced from Vietnam, which is an awesome, fantastic place. Actually,
Mhm.
it's one of my. I mean, I for the last 3 years I've been trying to go to Vietnam, but I've never been able to.
You should.
And
You should definitely. Uh, Trust me, Vietnam is one country. Before I visited over there, I used to
mm,
think that I don't know, maybe if I want to go there or not.
mm,
But when I visited there, it has its own charm and. I think there's something in the air of Vietnam.
yeah,
There's cafes everywhere. You can walk around. Beautiful weather, especially in the
mm,
evenings. You can
mm,
just go for a walk at 12 in the night and you will
mm,
feel it's just amazing over there.
mm. And which are your favorite cities? Yeah, I mean, tell me a bit because I haven't been able to ever visit, and I want to visit. Which is the first city I should go to, and why?
I think you should go to, if you want to experience the real Vietnam, Hanoi is the city you should go to. It's
Okay.
like,
Raghu went to Hanoi.
he did.
Yeah,
It is.
yeah,
So that is where you will experience the
bustling one.
cafes with the
Yeah.
authentic fin filter cafes, not the
Mm,
modern version, but the authentic ones. And the old town over there, it's still built in the. So Vietnam, by the way, is a French colony.
mm,
So the architecture is mostly the French architecture. The buildings are inspired by that.
mm.
So you will find everything over there. And yeah, I think I would definitely recommend Hanoi. It is where I fell in
How's
love
the
with coffee.
party scene there? Nightlife.
It is good. For nightlife, Hanoi also has a nightlife. There's a play, as in there's a proper street for that. But if you want to enjoy the nightlife, Ho Chi Minh is better for that.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happens in Ho Chi Minh?
So Ho Chi Minh, there is an entire street where you will find a lot of street side bars. There are clubs over there, all the neon lights, people partying. So it has its own vibe.
Shubhra is asking, what's my favorite Usmara coffee flavor? Ayushi knows that because I keep ordering that. It's the classic.
That's classic. We
It's
both
the
love classic,
classic.
in fact, because we are
Yeah,
black coffee drinkers.
yeah, yeah. There's something about coffee. To me, coffee has a taste,
Right.
which I'm not able to enjoy coffee if it's flavored. I mean, to me, I will enjoy it, but not as coffee. Like if it's vanilla, for instance,
Hmm.
I'll drink it as a vanilla drink, not as coffee. फिर उसके
Right.
बाद कॉफी टाइम पे कॉफी होना है.
I know. I think most of the like people who really love coffee would relate to it because you want to
Hmm.
feel that taste of coffee itself.
Oh,
Smara
Smara
made me
made me.
fall in love with coffee.
That is true. That is true. Actually,
Thanks,
coffee is
Anko.
a. I actually thought. मैं सोचता था यार अरेबिका बेस्ट है, रोबस्टा ठीक नहीं है। मेरे को यही रिसर्च भी करोगे तो यही आता है, यू अंडरस्टैंड मी।
Most of
बट
the people think
रोबस्टा जब
so.
मैंने पिया, स्पेशली इंस्टेंट कॉफी भी, मैं सोचता था यार मैं इंस्टेंट कॉफी नहीं पीता हूँ। आई हैव दिस मैसिव कॉफी मशीन एट होम, सो मैंने कहा इंस्टेंट कॉफी क्या जरूरत है, आराम से बैठते हैं। बट आई रियली लाइक द फ्लेवर एंड दैट्स द रीजन मैं पीता हूँ। एंड आई टेल यू, बहुत ही साथ देता है ये मेरा उस्मारा कॉफी, बिकॉज मेरी सुबह ना बहुत ही अजीब होती है, मैंने बताया भी था तुम्हें।
Yes. I think you should tell that to everyone.
या मैं एक्चुअली रोज सुबह 6:30 बजे उठ जाता हूँ, राइट। 6:30 बजे उठता हूँ, अपनी मर्जी से नहीं, किसी और की मर्जी से, और वो है मेरा कुत्ता, उसका नाम है आर्क। और वो रोज सुबह 6:30, मतलब मैं अलार्म की जरूरत नहीं, जब वो उठाता है मैं देखता हूँ 6:30 होते, इट्स 5:29 और 6:21 के बीच में, सॉरी 6:29 और 6:31 के बीच में वो उठा देगा मेरे को। और फिर मैं जाके हिमना वी हैव अ कॉर्नर, एक बे विंडो टाइप का है जहाँ पे वो बाहर जाके बैठ जाएगा और मैं उसके साथ में, मेरे को बैठना है, मैं कहीं नहीं जा सकता हूँ। और वहां सो वो बैठता हूँ मैं 9 बजे तक।
Wow.
सो 6:30 से 9 बजे सोचो कितनी कॉफी होती होगी, कॉफी ही कॉफी। मेरा कॉफी,
I can imagine.
मेरे कॉफी का कप का साइज देखोगे?
I would
मैं
want to see.
हाँ मैं हाँ, तो ये है मेरा कॉफी कप,
Oh wow.
और ये है मेरा
And how many of these cups do you have?
एटलीस्ट 3, एटलीस्ट
Wow,
3
in the morning itself.
इन द मॉर्निंग। दिस इज आउट।
Oh, he's super cute, trust me.
बहुत बहुत खतरनाक आदमी है।
I wait for your instance for his pictures.
ये मेरे साथ ही रहता है, एक गधा कहीं का, एक सो सिट रिलैक्स, ऊपर मत चढ़ना ऊपर, ठीक है चढ़ जा। क्या करूं
So
मैं
I'm
यार इसका?
assuming he is most attached to you in the house.
Yeah, of course, I'm the alpha na,
Yeah.
I'm his pack leader. I have the founder of Usmara, Ayushi, with me live, so you can ask her a question. Would you like to know something about what is her preference, which flavor does she prefer? Of course she prefers classic, but after that,
So right now I'm having blend. I have it with me over here. So because in the evenings at this hour, if I have classic, I would be up till 3 a.m., which I don't want to. So that's why usually in the evening I have blend because that's slightly on the smoother side with a little less caffeine content. And on the weekends when I have time, I want to make like a good cup of iced coffee. That is when I go for hazelnut.
hmm.
But yeah, majority of the time it's classic.
And who said Usmara? What's your favorite Usmara flavor? You guys were watching. आपका क्या फेवरेट? अगर मैं क्लासिक के अलावा भी कुछ और ट्राई करूं उस्मारा का, तो आप बताइए कौन सा वाला फ्लेवर करना चाहिए? कौन कौन से फ्लेवर्स है अपने पास?
We have hazelnut, then we have a Vietnam blend.
Vietnam blend. What is a blend then? How is it different from classic?
Blend, so classic is 100% Robusta. Blend has, it's still predominantly Robusta, but it has a little bit of Arabica mixed to it to give that, make it smoother, a little bit smoother.
Nice. There are a lot of people are saying classic itself, but
Yes.
classic के अलावा और क्या try करना चाहिए? What should be my next purchase of Usmara flavor? You let me know and let me know why. है ना?
Yeah. Let people tell that.
अच्छा, Ayushi, the other thing is, tell me a bit about the life of an entrepreneur, of a D2C founder. How is that? Glamorous, fun. Hazelnut. Okay, somebody said hazelnut. I am
Two
no
people
match.
said hazelnut.
2 people said hazelnut. So okay,
Yes.
my next coffee from Usmara would be a hazelnut.
Perfect.
But I'll order both.
Busy waiting for it.
I'll take hazelnut जैसे जब मैं जैसे वो होता है ना एक स्नैक या ऐसा कुछ मस्ती के लिए। मेरे जो कॉफी टाइमिंग्स होते हैं, बाय द वे मैं ऑफिस जाके मेरे कॉफी चलते हैं। Do you know how many cups of coffee I drink a day?
I would want to know.
Around 10.
Oh my God. Even I don't drink that much coffee. I have like 5 cups in a day maximum.
So मेरा क्या है ना, मेरे जो मीटिंग्स होते हैं, एक कॉफी रहती है, अच्छा मीटिंग है भाई कॉफी, तो 3 मैं सुबह पी जाता हूँ, और 3 किस टाइप के हैं वो भी देख लो जरा.
Even we met over a coffee.
या वी मेट ओवर कॉफी. सो ऐसे मैं 3 पी जाता हूँ, ये यानी कि मेरे ख्याल 6 के
Wow.
बराबर. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद ऑफिस जाते सबसे पहली चीज मैं जाता हूँ मेरा कॉफी मशीन, कॉफी बनाता सबसे पहले, तो वो चौथा हो गया. उसके बाद ये सोच लो 5-6 मीटिंग तो हो ही जाते हैं, और बीच में वन ऑफ
Absolutely.
द, हाँ एक बार ऐसे थोड़ा बाहर घूमने टहलने चले गए, वापस आए, चल एक और कॉफी लेके बैठे, कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, अच्छा जैसे ये करना है कुछ, एक कॉफी आ जाता है, फिर शुरू कर. आई कीप सिपिंग ऑल डे.
How do you sleep at night?
I don't. What's the best part about being a coffee brand founder specifically?
Best part is because I'm myself very passionate about coffees. I am putting my heart and soul in this brand, so it's quite emotional to me. And seeing that like build into like a real product, people enjoying it, and getting those amazing feedbacks, I think that's the highlight of almost my every day.
Yeah, ये बात है कि यार तुम्हारा अगर प्रोडक्ट, जैसे आई कैन बी अ फाउंडर ऑफ वॉलपेपर फॉर इंस्टेंस, राइट, बट उसका स्पेस मेरे कंज्यूमर के लाइफ में बहुत अलग है. अगर मैं आई एम ए फाउंडर फॉर एयरबीएनबी या ऐसा कुछ, उसका एक वो होता है. कॉफी जैसी चीज है ना, बहुत ही प्लेजर देती है. इट इज समथिंग दैट you look forward to. You start
Right.
the day with coffee. It is अगर कोई मीटिंग है तो सबसे पहले हाँ कॉफी या कॉफी पहले हो जाता है. अगर रात को देर तक काम कर रहे हैं भैया कॉफी का इंतजाम, यू नो. सो आई थिंक कॉफी एज अ कैटेगरी इज वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, क्योंकि वो तुम्हारी लाइफ को बहुत अलग तरीकों से छूती है, और तुम्हारे को
Absolutely.
बहुत अलग, एंड इट्स प्लेजरेबल आल्सो, इट हैज फंक्शन आल्सो, इट गिव्स यू अलर्टनेस.
Absolutely. And so many things, so many conversations happen around coffee. Be it meetings or maybe going out with friends. Dates happen over coffee. So many things happen over coffee.
Tell me about your Sarthak is your husband. Nobody knows about it.
Yeah.
So tell me about Sarthak. Does he like coffee, or does he like you making coffee?
He likes me making coffee, and he has started to like coffee because of me. So our first date was also over coffee when I
Ah.
had my favorite Americano, and he had some drink of lemon water or something. But now, yes, he is also equally fond of coffee, and but he drinks only Usmara.
All right. And now he's your co-founder.
He is.
So you've just paused everything else in your life, and together you're building this. I think that's very cute and special. You know, if
It
your
is.
life partner can join you in your dream fantasy job,
Absolutely.
that's such a nice thing. Yeah. What does he
It
take
is.
care of in the business? क्या करता है वो?
He takes care of majority of the operational stuff is something that he takes care of. So we have categorically divided our roles.
Hmm.
He's the one who takes care of the entire operations, and I take
Hmm.
care of the business part, be it performance marketing, be it any kind of events and all those things I manage, and he
Hmm.
takes care of the day-to-day operational issues.
All
And
right.
I also love the logo of Usmara Coffee.
Oh yes.
Yes.
उसके बारे में बताओ.
Thank you.
दिखाओ मेरे को पहले तो उस्मारा लोगो. You have an Usmara.
Yes. This is the Usmara logo.
Okay.
So
now there
this
is something on top of you.
exactly. So it is a hat, which is the Vietnamese hat. If you will see about Vietnam, thing you see is that hat. So it's a Vietnamese hat, and even if if you look at it, it looks like a person wearing their face wearing that hat. So that's how it
All
came
right.
from.
Okay. What's something people don't know about coffee business you discovered during this journey?
Uh, what people don't know is there are so many, first of all, so many types of coffees. So many types of flavors nowadays. There's a pistachio flavor coffee, and I don't know what all is available. So you need to be mindful of what you are bringing in. And rest, I don't. Coffee business is an FMCG business, so that is something which is more critical, I would say, as compared to rest of the businesses, because that is something you're feeding or somebody is having it. So you need to be very sure about the product. That is something I would say was a challenge for me, to ensure the product that I'm getting home has to be the best of it, without any retests, without anything. And other than that, I feel not just coffee business, any business for that matter. Uh, First step is the hardest, and then as you go, somebody told me, you just keep walking, and you will keep covering the milestones.
Yeah. The thing is, अच्छा, Ratanjit कहती है, Rajiv bro, what's your favorite coffee? And I would like to buy, bro. I will tell you. It is Usmara because मैं उस्मारा ही कॉफी पीता हूँ. वो इसलिए क्योंकि वो वियतनामीज कॉफी है जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है. वो रोबस्टा बीन है जो मैंने डिस्कवर किया है थ्रू उस्मारा. और क्योंकि आयुषी उसकी फाउंडर है जो मुझको बहुत प्यारी लगती है.
Thank you.
अगर आप लोग उस्मारा खरीदना चाहते हो, आई थिंक क्या क्या तरीका है भाई उस्मारा खरीदने का?
So you can go to our website, which is www.usmaracoffee.com, and you can place an order. It's very easy.
usmara.coffee.com में जाके आपने वो करना है. अच्छा, अब ये बताइए कि Amazon पे क्यों नहीं है? करना चाहते हो कि नहीं?
Absolutely. So initially we
Oh,
started
somebody is
with
saying it's available on Amazon.
it's not. It's not available on Amazon as of now. It's only on our website. The reason being, we have just launched more than like around a month back. It's not even 2 months yet, and we started to build our own customer base. Wanted to see what people are liking. And understand the customer segment, and then move to
So मैं
the
बताता हूँ यार,
marketplace.
एज अ बिजनेस मेंटोर मैं तुम्हें बताता हूँ, एक उसका बहुत बड़ा फायदा है और एक उसका बहुत बड़ा नुकसान है. जैसे आई एम नोमैड पूछ रहा है, व्हेन आई कम इनटू क्विक कॉमर्स, तो उसका नुकसान पहले मैं बता देता हूँ. अभी इंडिया में कम से कम शॉपिंग बिहेवियर बहुत चेंज हो गया है. इट्स वेरी ऐप बेस्ड, राइट? एंड इट्स
Right.
क्विक कॉमर्स बेस्ड मोस्टली, है ना? अब ऐसा होता है कि एक दिन बाद भी कुछ आ रहा है तो ऐसा लगता है यार क्या बात है, ये बकवास हो गया. सो ये वो है. सो वक्त लगेगा लोगों को उस्मारा डिस्कवर करने, क्योंकि देर आर एक एडिशनल एफर्ट लिया है, ठीक है? लेकिन मैं इसका फायदा बताता हूँ. आप अपना एसेट बिल्ड कर रहे हो जो आपका वेबसाइट है. आप अपने डायरेक्ट आप जो भी वो करता है, यू विल गेट सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट देम, यू विल बी एबल टू कांटेक्ट देम, राइट?
Right.
So
Absolutely.
that what you, instead of building Amazon's business or some Blinkit's business for them, you are building your community. It is slow, but it'll be worth it,
Absolutely. It would take
right?
just 3 clicks and your order would be placed.
Yeah, 3 clicks. Okay. I think we are now almost out of time. Is there any last questions that anybody would like to ask me or Ayushi? Yes, it is easy. Nomad tried it and it is easy. Well,
Thank you.
you guys enjoy the Usmara coffee. ये मेरा पहला लाइव है एक्चुअली, ठीक है? एक मिनट.
Thank you
Nobody
so
knows
much,
about
Rajiv, for that.
Indian audience than Rajiv. Thank you so much. I'll buy and give to my friends. Thank you, Ratanjit.
Thank you.
All right. Wishing you loads of luck. I also wish Usmara and Ayushi and Sarthak lots of luck. In fact, I think
Thank you.
we should do this more often, regular,
Absolutely.
probably once a month, because I spend a lot of my effort, energy, not being accessible. ठीक है? काफी मैं जो भी मेरा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप्स होता है उनको म्यूट में रखता हूँ. आई डोंट रिप्लाई. उन बेचारों को मेरे को अलग से मैसेज करना पड़ता है या फोन करना पड़ता है कि यार देख लो वहाँ बवाल मच गया. मैं अपने इंस्टाग्राम डीएम्स को नहीं चेक करता हूँ. So this experience for me has been interesting because people can
Yeah,
talk to me right now, and
absolutely.
Does Usmara have decaf editions?
As of now, no. We might bring it in the future, but presently
मैं
we
कह रहा हूँ
don't.
अगर डीकैफ लेना है तो दूध पी लो. कॉफी क्या होता है भाई? कॉफी जान आती है कॉफी से. क्या डीकैफ
Yes.
शीकैफ?
We want
कॉफी
our
पियो.
caffeine.
हाँ जी, कैफीन हिट तो मांगता है. Alright,
Bilkul.
thank you guys. Ayushi, I shall see you very soon, and we shall repeat this soon.
Absolutely. We should.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.